over here doing a 30-point turn.
I know. Blake Fitzgerald can't drive in his own shop, but he's gonna go down a track apparently.
What'd you say?
I just said, I don't want to usually take stuff that's not mine, but sorry, Blake. Big wheels.
Big wheels.
Big wheels. Like them Hot Wheels. Wait a minute. All right. So we got Blake's truck on the lift. Well, Blake's got Blake's truck on the lift. Draining the fluid. We got a Suncoast 4-speed trans-brake valve body we're going to put in it. We've got a shifter. Does not have the air actuator. Apparently those are hard to get right now, so it's just going to be the shifter. Luckily those shifters are really easy to use, so we're going to put that in, get that all rigged up, get it working for him, and then yeah, we're going to go testing this weekend with him. We're taking the dyno down to Logan Epling's event. I actually don't know what it's called. It's like something in the Smokies or something like that. Smoking in the Smokies. There you go. Catchy. So we're going there. Blake's gonna make some passes. We're gonna dyno some shit. I don't know if Blake wants us to say what's wrong with the truck. Why we figured out why it's not making power, so we can put it in our video unless he says not to. But we talked to Chase Lunsford, and apparently the guy that Blake bought the engine from towards the end was getting low on money and cheaped out on some stuff. The pistons are stock 6.7 pistons. It's sleeved. It's a 6.7 sleeve back to 6.7. So that in itself is not exactly the best. It'll hold good power for a while. And then the head is the big problem. It has a side draft, but Chase said just for tuning purposes, consider it a stock head, which would make sense why the truck acts like a stock 6.7 cylinder head truck. It just doesn't respond to anything. It likes nitrous, but it's not responding like we'd expect it to. So knowing that, now we can go in and treat it like that and should start seeing some gains within reason. We don't want to send pistons to the moon. So we'll get the valve body and stuff in, and then we'll do some testing and see what happens. I thought I was gonna be.
Mitchell,
Like they just came out.
what did you do?
I'm about to buy welds instead. That's what I'm about to do.
Okay, now since you're just such a money spinning, let's just move to the shirt.
You got some 4Gs in there?
That 2,000 number will disappear very quick.
Yeah.
But I'll have a lot more fun if we go.
Yeah, your wallet will have a lot more fun.
No, he said he has the right size here.
Oh, okay. Turn around. 8 on 6.5.
Oh, okay. If you don't buy them, if you don't buy those, I'm
Where?
gonna buy those.
The 8 on 6.5. Same wheel, but I've got it.
Oh, right here.
170 in it.
If you don't buy those, Paul, I'm buying those. Just so you know.
But like the 14s are stupid clean though.
Yeah, but I don't be fitting 14s. Yeah, you do.
I do. Don't turn.
I do be towing trailers all the time. Yeah.
I towed on 16 watts, 3-inch spacers.
I'm not trying to put you on. I'm not trying to put you on the spot, Paul. I'm about to give this man some cash. And you don't have cash. I'm about to give him a call.
Oh.
I'm gonna give the same fuck. Same. Not the same thing. Okay, it's okay.
different.
I'm buying them. That's what I'm getting at. You buy them or no? I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because I can just sell my. It's like it doesn't cost. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do with mine. I'm just gonna sell them.
So we're mounting 2 packages.
Do what?
We're mounting 2 packages.
I don't know what tires you get.
I have.
Well, I haven't seen the. Are these the?
He wants the red ones over there.
Amps. I don't want amps.
The red ones? I will cut a stupid deal if you'll buy the red ones.
I'm not buying red wheels.
The red ones would look fucking good.
No, they wouldn't. They look terrible.
It looked great
You're
on
so
that.
stupid. They look
When I
terrible.
say stupid deal, this setup should go for like $3. You can have for $2.
No. It would look so dumb on my truck.
Mitchell's
Yes.
over here making sure his wife's okay with him.
I am not. I'm actually on Easy Link, so that's a lot.
Oh, okay.
I don't need Mel's permission. Mel loves me.
What's that?
Where's your
Tire selection?
Yeah. I want to see the.
The life of the
I'm not
rich
buying.
and famous.
I got no money. Get that camera out of my face.
The life
I'm
of
broke.
the rich and
I'm unemployed.
famous. It wouldn't be nice to be Mitchell and people like, oh, Okay, hey, I'm buying wheels today.
Yes, for real, dude.
So, what are we doing for a bracket, Paul?
Well, we're gonna try to use this thing here. I don't know who it came from. I don't think this is the one from Logan Yelton, but it kind of looks like it. And then his rear trans line really needs to have like a 45 on it going up. That would really help.
This is what we had, right?
This is what we had, and then I was trying to tweak it, and that wasn't working. Then I was gonna just cut this off, flip it around, but then the shifter part will be way out here. It needs to be like here, so this needs to be yeah. So I was gonna have to make some shit, and then he found this, so now I don't have to make shit. You look tired, bub.
Extremely tired.
Really? Didn't you have like 14 naps today already?
No.
Uh-huh.
I just woke up at 10 a.m.
Oh, okay. It's 10 a.m. No big deal, guys. This guy. Big time moral sport guy.
This team would not run without me.
Nope, wouldn't run. This video is sponsored by Bud Light Seltzers.
Everything has broken since I got here.
Well, you know when you put it that way, yeah, it's pretty true.
My truck hasn't.
Well, it broke right before he got here. He was thinking about coming here and yours broke.
I was like in the process of getting ready.
Yeah,
The shop's like a phoenix. We're just gonna rise from the ashes.
That's what it is.
Super philosophical.
Hey, you got bolts?
Put that in the video.
No, I had a Mountain Dew. That was a Mountain Dew.
Bolts and nuts?
Bolts and nuts.
I already said our video is sponsored
Two.
by Bud Light Seltzer,
Wrong.
hard soda.
What size nuts?
Wrong.
Smaller
Twisted
than
tea,
that.
baby.
Dude, you had like a whole case of that shit.
Yeah, I know. These things
Smaller
are
than
dangerous,
that,
just like
longer
Maverick
than that,
Diesel
with a
on the
nut.
track. Dangerous. Stay
Can you
holstered.
bring me that?
Here's my get in to see my free card.
The Bluetooth drive shit.
I don't know why it's in two pieces, and I don't know why there's a new one beside it.
Like,
Don't catch it.
explain to the people what's going on right now.
The only rigging you'll ever see from me on camera. The rest of it's not on camera.
Professional. That's profesh, man.
Look at
I've
that.
never seen
You
something.
know the worst part?
Hey, look what's in the background.
I
though.
threaded that bolt in backwards.
Hey.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna work.
What? It might work actually. Yeah, well.
Perfection.
Well, if that bolt drags out, it's gonna fall in the ground.
You think it's gonna come out? Why don't you put silicone on it? Put it in right. Put it in the right way.
Fucking rookies. Jeez, what the?
I'm not used to this rigging stuff. Where's your pocket JB weld? I need to borrow it.
Hang on a second.
Biggest thing I've ever.
Hang on a second, Blake. It's right here.
Oh, there it is. That's a fucking mistake. Dude. I feel like a rookie. Like I've never used silicone in my life.
He obviously, Paul. He obviously does not work in a mechanic shop.
Dude, have you seen this?
Wheels and wheel accessories.
If there's an inconvenient way to do things, I will find them
Every time.
every time. So instead of like me hopping in the truck and sitting in that comfy seat over there, I would rather have my gut on a nitrous bottle bar that Paul Cato put right titty height for me and just have a great time getting railed by a bottle. 'Cause that's what we do at Maverick Diesel. We're not at Maverick.
We're not at Maverick Diesel. We are currently at the one and only Fitzgerald Performance.
There's only one for a reason. We about got the shifter in though. I think it'll work. It's not my ideal height.
You need like a custom Paul Cato made shifter bracket.
I do, but we have like Amazon welders and no scrap metal, so this is what we got.
I'm just saying, you know, you can put it on the trailer and bring it to Illinois anytime.
I have a lot, and that drive's getting old and expensive.
You know the way my bank account is set up and the way that the fuel prices are right now.
Oh, I feel you. I drive to a show every weekend, and I'm ready. Ready to rock, kind Sort of. We gotta hook the shifter cable up underneath, and then Mr. Potato.
Is it solid?
I mean, it looks solid. It looks fast.
It's fast as fuck.
It does. It's not gonna be
Maverick,
fast.
Does it move when you hit the shifter?
I got to put 2 more bolts in.
Let me put my water down.
Yeah, just. I mean, okay, so the base is loose, but the actual, you got to, okay, go back forward to neutral. Now squeeze both the top and the side. There you go. There you go now.
Yeah, so
Oh,
it's
that's
still
gonna be
missing
good.
2 bolts out of it. It's not
That's going to be good when it's tight. Yeah, that's the stuff. It's a little far away, but we can make that work.
right. I got long arms. It'll go okay.
Yeah. That's what she said.
If I was really
I don't know how to use it.
The next day.
So we got everything done on Blake's truck. Well, except for wiring.
Except
And-
wiring, yep.
And then Mitchell here decided that he wanted some wheels. So tell me, what wheels did you get?
I got welds, and then obviously you're gonna see them in the video. And then I don't even know what tires we got. Some Venoms, baby. Venom power. 35, 12 and a half, 22s. I told myself when I was younger that I would not get 22s ever in my life.
Here you are.
And now I grew up or something like that, and now I'm getting 22s. So, I mean, if I hate them, I can go back to 17s. But I mean, just look at them. I mean, it's literally.
Back off now. Yeah.
Oh, that's backside. You can't see.
Oh.
You can't see them. We'll show you in just a minute.
Yeah.
They're nice. They're real nice.
Nice.
Trying to get it more straight. Like
Paul's probably more excited than any of us here. So.
Well, yeah, because they're basically, I'm gonna get the Cheyennes, he's getting the Chasms. So like, I already know what my shit's gonna look like, basically. But yeah, of course I'm excited.
I'm so excited!
He better be looking like $1 million for as long as that took.
I'm at pit stop.
Where'd you go?
We got some sauce, a bunch of switches.
Yep.
And
We're gonna need more than 2 cards of transfer.
Yeah, we got a case. And some CV axles. We got some Duramax stuff back here.
Let's see that Duramax one.
For the clapped out Duramax out there. We're
Shifter's done.
Look at my pocket knife right here. 10mm pocket knife.
I do like that pocket knife.
Thank you, sir. It's ratcheting cool.
I don't know why this truck doesn't have rock lights yet, Blake.
So there's no fender wells.
Make a bracket.
I mean, I can mount on that cross member right there.
Yeah.
I would be the guy at the track with the rock light kit. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Wait, where do we put him in the back? There is no back.
Make a bracket. Just make a bracket.
Yeah.
Make a bracket like off
What?
of the frame. Like,
How do I hide the wire? Because I'm really weird about rock light wires. Through the frame.
through the frame. Yeah.
Through the frame. On the side of the frame.
Yeah, something like that.
Let's do it.
You can make them go flashy rainbow colors while you're going down the track.
Oh yeah, that sounds
The other
really
slight concern we
appealing.
had.
Was the cable?
What?
The cable touching?
Well,
It needs zip
but
tied.
That's not the main concern.
What's the main concern?
The main concern is your 8-pin connector doesn't have all the pins. It only has 3 of them in there, and there's a 4th one we need for the trans brake. And you don't have the pins, and you probably don't have another 8-pin connector here, unless you have like a stock wiring harness from an 04.5 or 05 to 07 truck.
I do.
Where's that?
In my house. Full harness.
Go time, baby. Hail right.
First look.
First look. You already see it?
Yeah, I seen it.
Do you like it?
I've been videoing it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like
Oh,
it. Yeah. I'm not a big black wheels fan,
Yeah.
but you know,
I'm not a chrome guy, so like, gotta give and take. She's so fun.
Yeah, no, apparently we were like,
Dude, they're moving, son.
what do you think about the Americans?
Mucho. I like them a lot.
They look good.
They look good, right?
They look good. I like the tires. They changed the sidewall on them, apparently. Didn't used to look like that.
Yeah, and then he said that you could do these facing in or just straight down.
Yeah, that's the better looking sidewall.
Yeah, that's what I said to him. I go in with them. Hell yeah.
It looks good though.
I love them.
I like it. I love Mexican. Oh wow!
They do be looking good now. Nobody's gonna look at the
Beef.
fucked up paint job.
Hey, Mitchell, just start it back up and see how far you can turn.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna have to lift it more. You're already hitting on that side, I'm pretty sure. That's it. That's all we got. You touching the fender. You have to lift it more, Mitchell.
Minor eats. Mel's gonna love that 18-point turns in the parking lot.
But you gonna let her drive the first time she drives it, you're gonna come back and the fucking fenders are all wrinkled.
I'll have curb wheels and stuff. It'll clear itself. It's fine. It's already level.
Boost it up a little bit.
So, quick outro. We went down to Blake Fitzgerald's shop on the way to Dyno Event this last weekend for Logan Efling's race, Smoking the Smokies. On the way, we stopped at Blake's shop and we were going to try to get his Suncoast 4-speed valve body and shifter put in. We managed to get the valve body in. That part was easy. He had a bracket for the shift cable. This is a rear entrance cable from Suncoast. It's their fastback shifter. We were able to use the bracket he had, used a couple existing holes, mounted it. That all worked out pretty good. And then we started realizing like we're gonna run into electrical stuff. The truck had an 8-pin connector, but the 8-pin connector only had the 3 wires it needed for a flamingo valve body. So we kind of just said we just squashed the idea of trying to finish the truck. So we were gonna have to source an 8-pin connector. We couldn't find one anywhere. We called junkyards. Nobody had anything. So we just kind of threw that out. We didn't have buttons. I mean, it was going to be slapped together, and we kind of just told Blake, like, man, let's just not worry about it. Let's schedule something where we can get it finished, get down to the track, do some testing, do whatever. We'll bring our truck with and go from there. So we got all that done, and then Blake sells wheels and tires and whatever else Blake does, and Mitchell ended up buying a nice set of wheels and tires that he's already taken back off because he has no turning radius and he uses the truck like a truck. So he's trying to sell them to me and I need to get a lift kit to make it work. So anyways, just kind of a quick outro for this video, kind of short video. So we'll go into the next one. Will be the dyno day at Smoking the Smokies, and should be some fun content there, I think. So we'll see you then.